What are the elements of the visual arts? Line. The artist uses lines to imitate or to represent objects and figures on a flat surface. Lines have many qualities. They may be short or long, fine or thick, heavy or light, wavy or jagged, straight or curved. Lines may move in several directions. When the line continues in only one direction, we call it a straight line. This straight line may proceed vertically, horizontally, or diagonally. Lines, whatever their direction, control our eye movement and help us relate the various elements in a work of art with one another. Shape. Our world is composed of a variety of shapes, some of which, because of constant use, have gained permanent meanings. They can be used to simplify ideas. Classified according to their sources, shapes may be natural, abstract, non-objective, or geometric. Natural shapes are those we see in nature, such as shapes of man, animals, or trees. Abstract shapes are formed after the artist has drawn out the essence of the original object and made it the subject of his work. Non-objective shapes seldom have reference to recognizable objects, but most often they show a similarity to some organic forms. Sometimes these are called biomorphic shapes. Some buildings look like geometric solids, pyramids, cylindrical towers, and box-like office buildings. They have geometric shapes. Texture. When we speak of texture in everyday conversation, we usually refer to the feel of tactile quality of the surface of an object. Texture can be enjoyed for its sensuous decorative quality alone. On this level, textures are experienced as pleasurable sensations in the manner that we enjoy stroking velvet, silk, and other materials we feel are pleasant. Color. Color is not a permanent property of things we see around us. It is derived from light, whether natural, like sunlight, or artificial, like fluorescent light. Color is a series of wavelengths which strike our retina. Every ray of light coming from the sun is composed of different waves which vibrate at different speeds. Hue is the quality which gives a color its name. The colors of the spectrum are therefore called hues. The relation between the primary and the colors produced by mixing or combining them is shown in the following diagram. Value. The lightness or darkness of a color is called value. Adding neutrals such as black or white to any hue results in changing the quantity of light it reflects. A color combined with black will reflect less light than the same color combined with white. When black is combined with a color, a shade is produced. When white is added to it, a tint results. Black added to red results in dark red. When white is added, we get light red. Intensity or saturation. Intensity is the strength of the color's hue. It refers to the quality of light in a color. Color may create a mood and symbolize ideas and express personal emotions. Light, bright colors make us feel happy and gay. Cool, somber ones can depress us. The different hues on the color spectrum have different emotional impacts. Red is intense and exciting, while blue is serene, dignified, or sad. Hues are often used to symbolize ideas or abstract qualities, such as virtue, loyalty, evil, and cowardice. Blue is associated with loyalty and honesty. It also stands for nobility. We speak of a man as blue-blooded when we refer to this noble origin. Red is identified with danger, passion, or violent death. Thus, we are warned not to move forward when we see the red traffic light on. Yellow means cowardice, black is a sign of death, and green is identified with life and hope. White is equated with purity or innocence, and purple is often identified with wealth and royalty. Forms are three-dimensional: length, width, height, and can be viewed from many angles. Forms have volume and take up space. Space is the emptiness or area between, around, above, below, or within objects. Shading: the darkening or coloring of an illustration or diagram with parallel lines or a block of color. Scenes can be given perspective by color and shading. Hatching is an artistic technique used to create tonal or shading effects by drawing closely spaced parallel lines. When lines are placed at an angle to one another, it is called cross-hatching.